Hey, so if you did your scratch work on a piece of paper, I want to show you how to upload it into OneNote via just taking a picture of it. So up at the top, under the menu bars, under Insert, if you go to Pictures, Insert Pictures from Camera, say hi to the camera, and then get it into the frame. Make sure you can actually read it, and then take a picture. Can't read it? Zoom it in, take a picture. Maybe you need to take a picture of the bottom. Take a picture, and then insert all. Then they'll drop in on the bottom. And then can you do us a favor while you do that? If you can't read it right now, it should probably get enlarged. So take it and enlarge it so it's easy for us to read your work. And enlarge it so it's easy for us to read your work. Let me know if that's an issue or if you have any questions. Let Mr. Suter know. He's amazing. Miss Whitley know. She's amazing. And we'll see you on Monday. Peace.